Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ariana, and if you're new here, go click that subscribe button and turn your post notification bells so you know when I post a new video. So guys, before I get into what I'm about to do, I do want to let you guys know that I want to do a giveaway, but I need to get to 100 subscribers before I do the giveaway. It will be a cash prize giveaway because I can't really go out and buy anything right now due to everything that's going on. So I figured money would help people, even if it's a little bit. Something in your pocket goes a long way. So I just want to help some people out and give a little money away. So get me to 100 subscribers, and yeah, I'll give further details along the way. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the Boxy Charm. If you've watched my videos, I've talked about Boxy Charm like plenty of times. So I'm just gonna be doing an unboxing and showing you guys what's in my Boxy Charm for the month of April 2020. And yeah, I'm just gonna tell you guys about it because I am obsessed with Boxy Charm. Like, I think it's so worth it, especially if you do makeup and you love doing makeup and skincare and all that stuff. I think it's so worth it. So yeah, I'm just gonna get right into it and show you guys. First of all, I want to start off by saying this box, I only paid $25 a month for it, and everything that comes in here, the value is over $125. So paying $25 a month is totally worth it, and you get some name brand products, you get really good quality stuff. So it's not like cheapy brands where you're gonna like break out on your face, or like the eyeshadows aren't good. It's not like that. It's pretty good quality brand. I never really know what I get in the box every month, but they are giving you like an option to pick out of like 3 choices what you want in your item for that box that month. So I'll be showing you guys what I specifically picked to get in my box for this month. And yeah, let's just get right into it, and I'm going to show you guys what I have. So this is the front of the box. It says Hello Charmer. You open it, Boxy Charm. This is everything that's in it. So the first item that I have here is called the Pore Professional. It's a pore primer from Benefit. It's a smoothing face primer to minimize the look of pores. So I've heard of this primer. I'm gonna open it and show you guys too as well. So I've heard of this primer. Well, I've heard of this primer, and I heard really good results. I heard it's one of the best primers to use, and I really did hear that it minimizes your pores. And you can use this before makeup. It helps the makeup stay put. It minimizes like lines on your face and stuff like that. It also comes with like a little pamphlet thing, and it tells you what the products are, and it says the retail price. So I'm just gonna let you guys know what that is and let you know the actual retail price. So keep in mind that I only paid $25 for this. One item alone is like over $25. So I truly believe like this is worth it for me because I go to Sephora or I go to Ulta and I get makeup all the time. And I really found that I don't go as much because of all the stuff that's coming in, and it's worth it. I use literally every single thing that I get. So this is the Pore Professional. Where is that? Okay, so it says, quickly minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. Apply this silky lightweight balance alone under or over makeup. The translucent formula contains vitamin E, okay, whatever. So this is $32 alone, and that's really good. And nothing is like sample size, everything is full size. So this is what a full size one looks like. It is kind of small for $32. But it's worth it because I only spent $25 and I still got it full size and everything. So the next item that I have that I want to show you guys is this one. It's the Elemis Superfood Cica Hydration Juice. This is actually the item that I picked to have in my box. It was between 3 other ones, or actually, my bad. So it was between 2 other ones. It was also another Elemis product. I think it was like a cleansing foam, but I have so many, like they gave me a Glam Glow cleansing foam. So I have so many like face washes for my makeup. But this is like a hydration juice, and I love anything skincare, like anything to hydrate my face because I have super dry skin. so this would help me a lot. So this is loaded with vitamin-packed superfoods and 75% organic aloe. This gel moisturizer delivers instant cooling hydration, helping to soothe dehydrated or sensitive skin. The vegan-friendly formula moisturizes and improves the look of skin texture for a more even, calm, and balanced looking complexion. So this is vegan as well. For all you vegans out there, this is a really good product for you guys. I heard a lot about this brand. I think I have one other thing from it, from my Boxycharm as well. And I love it. I forgot exactly what it is, but whatever. But I love it. I've actually heard of this brand, and I heard that it was really good. So I'm excited to try this out. And this is, the retail price is $48. So this alone is $48, and this is full size, everything like that. So I'm just gonna move on to the next product. This is Beauty Sponges by Hank and Henry. So it's beauty blenders. And mind you, the theme of the box is super like pastel, bright, like Easter colors almost. They're like green, lime green. I'll show you the rest of the stuff too, so you can see like the color scheme is really cool. It's like super bright things. So this is a beauty blender. This is Hank and Henry Beauty Sponge Bundle. These beauty sponges are specifically designed to be versatile all over sponges for liquid and cream application. They can be used wet for a sheer application or dry for fuller coverage. So they are in all different shapes and sizes. You can see, it's hard to see. This is flat over here. So this is good for like powder and stuff, or like, you know, to fix your contour line. This is cool for like under eyes, whatever you think it works best for. But these are really good. Can never go wrong with enough beauty blenders. And this was $20. So this is $20 alone. And I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next product. We have, this is Lavish eye brushes. I've never heard of this brand. So I don't know, we'll see, we'll test it out. This is what it looks like. And like I said, you can see like the color scheme, super like neon, like, I don't know why it reminds me of Easter. I mean, Easter was in April, so I don't know if that was their little vibe, but I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Let's see what these are. So this is the 5-piece neon eye brush collection, a must-have all-in-one cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes that you'll need to achieve an everyday or more dramatic look. And this is $29.99, so this is $30. Kind of a lot for these little brushes. It's only 5 and it's $30. I don't know. But this is a pencil brush, so I guess you could pencil on like eyeliner, but with like a shadow. This is the little tip. This is the orange one. Cool, not too bad, not too bad. This one is, it looks like a blending brush to me. This is a tapered blending brush. It's pink. This is the top. A little fluffy, not too bad, not too bad. And this is a fine liner. So I guess to do your liquid liner or your gel liner. This is like what the tip looks like. I don't know about that one. I'm not really feeling that one, but not too bad. This is the yellow one. And we have a brow groomer. This is a brow groomer. So this is just like the spoolie part where you brush up your eyes, your eyebrows. And then this is the part where you could put like a shadow and then you could go over it. This is what it looks like. This is the green one. Not too bad. I actually need another one of this, so this is perfect. And the last one that we have here is eye shading. So this is just another one for putting on your eyeshadow. and this is the blue one. I don't know, I might give these away. I don't know if I really am feeling this one. So if you want some brushes, let me know, because I'll give it to you. Yeah, these aren't too bad. I've never heard of this brand, so you never know. But $30, it's kind of a lot of money, so not too shabby, not too shabby. And the last product that we have, I forgot to mention to you guys that Boxy Charm.
Have you ever had a dream that you would?
I forgot to mention to you guys that Boxy Charm gives you 5 full-size products. So we only have 5 items in this box, and then next month I'll get another 5, and it's just, you know, 5 isn't too bad, honestly, because sometimes it could be overwhelming getting so much makeup in. I literally don't know what to do with my makeup. It's just chilling on my dresser. Like, I need to make room for it and put it like in its own little corner or something, because I don't know what to do with it anymore, but I literally love getting it in. So this is the Sunset, the original makeup eraser. I've never seen this. It says erase all makeup with just water. Okay, so I think this is just like a cleansing cloth. This is what it looks like. This is the Sunset. Let's see what it says. The original makeup eraser Sunset. The #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world. Erase all makeup with just water. Erases waterproof mascara, which is a plus. Eyeliner, foundation, and more. Made with premium patent polyester, Okay, whatever. And this is $22. And I also got a little pamphlet in here again, I guess just explaining more about the makeup eraser. It says including waterproof mascara, what I said. Okay, so one side is an eraser and then the other side is an exfoliator, which is good. It's sometimes good to exfoliate your face. I don't exfoliate my face every day. I don't think that's really good, but I do it once or twice a week. You gotta get the dead skin off sometimes, you know? So this is reusable, lasts to 3 to 5 years. Wow. Machine washable, great for sensitive skin, saves money, antibacterial, free of oils, alcohol, parabens, dyes, fragrances, sulfates. Cool. So let's just open it and see what it is. Colorful. Whoops. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, first of all, it's super soft. I don't know where the exfoliating part is because it sure doesn't feel like it. This is what it looks like. It's the same thing on the other side. So it's super soft. I don't know where they said exfoliator. I guess this, oh, I get it. So they're all different makeup erasers. I got the Sunset one, so I guess this is one that just takes off makeup but doesn't exfoliate. Whatever, cool. So this would be cool to use. You just pretty much put it under water, you scrub your face with it, and you could throw it in the wash and reuse it. So that's something that's really cool. I think that'd be super helpful and useful to use. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much what came in my Boxycharm for the month of April 2020. Like I said, I highly recommend Boxycharm to anyone out there that loves makeup or skincare, beauty in general. I think this is such a well worth it monthly thing to get in the mail. I find myself spending less money on makeup because of everything that comes in here. And yeah, so I highly recommend. I'll let you guys know the price of it all at the end. Clearly it's over $100. One thing alone is almost $50, so I think it's so worth it. So if you guys love makeup, highly recommend. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Don't forget about my little giveaway. Get me to 100 subscribers and I'll give you guys more details on it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're new here, go click that subscribe button, get me there. And thanks for watching.